What's up, guys? In this video, we are going to discuss whether or not taking vitamins or supplements can help your lungs. Are you ready? Let's go! While there's very little research on this topic, a few studies have shown that some vitamins and supplements may have positive effects on your lungs. For example, according to health.com, taking vitamin E supplements may lower the risk of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. And just in case you forgot, COPD is the fourth leading cause of death in the United States. Keep in mind, the positive effects of vitamin E appear to be modest. But for a disease like COPD, every little bit helps. With that said, to truly prevent the disease, you should avoid its causes, such as smoking. And a few more potentially helpful vitamins. According to the Lung Health Institute, vitamin A and vitamin C may have positive effects on your lungs as well. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can fight against and flush out the toxins caused from smoking. By doing so, it gives your body time to repair damaged tissues. And being a water-soluble vitamin, that generally means that it's safe for consumption. However, always be sure to check with your doctor or physician before taking any supplements. Vitamin A may also have positive effects on your lungs as well. Vitamin A is a critical vitamin for the immune system, which helps to regenerate cells in the body. So by increasing vitamin A intake, you can initiate the natural repair process of lung tissue. While earlier I mentioned that vitamin C is water soluble, vitamin A, on the other hand, is fat soluble. That means that overconsumption can lead to toxic effects. This is why it's imperative to speak with your doctor or physician before taking any supplements, whether for your lungs or other parts of your body. And as I said before, research is very limited in this area. But for some of the vitamins that I mentioned earlier, the studies have shown to be beneficial for your lungs, even though at this time the effects appear to be relatively small. And on our website, if you're interested, we actually put together a detailed list of some of the best lung vitamins. So I'll drop a link to that down below in the description if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you thought